Welcome to another video by AskMath.com. Let's read the directions for the problem. For each ordered pair, identify whether or not it is in the solution set for the system of inequalities. Given x is greater than 0, y is greater than or equal to -3. The ordered pairs that were given are 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1, -1. A system of inequalities just means that you have two or more inequalities. We have two here, and they're inequalities because they have these greater than symbols. You could also have less than symbols. This one is greater than, this one's a greater than or equal to symbol. And so they're inequalities, not equations. Equations would have equal signs. To identify if an ordered pair is in the solution set just means take the values for x and y in each ordered pair and substitute them in for the x's and y's in the inequalities, and then determine if the inequality symbol is true or not. And if the inequality symbol is true, where the left side is greater than the right side in this case, then that ordered pair is a solution for that inequality. If it works in both, then it's a solution set for the system of inequalities. So what we really have here is three different problems. You might just have a single problem on a test, for example. We're just going to try three different problems. And I'm just going to organize my paper so that I remember that I'm doing three individual problems. And these are the ordered pairs for each problem. And then I'm going to rewrite x is greater than 0. I'm going to rewrite it with parentheses where the x was, and then y is greater than or equal to, I'm going to write parentheses where the y was. And then that's where I'm going to substitute the values for x and y. And same thing here. Remember, we just have three separate problems. And so the same problem, just a different ordered pair to test. Okay. And so I take the x, and remember the first inequality had only an x in it, and the second inequality had only a y in it. And so the x value, and it turns out these first two problems had the same values for x's and y's. This one's a little bit different. That's the x, and this is the -1 for the y. Okay, so now I'm going to evaluate each different problem. So is 0 greater than 0? Nope, it's not greater than, it is actually equal to. So because that is not greater than, that is a false inequality statement. And that means that this ordered pair is not a solution to this inequality. So even if it was a solution to this inequality, which it actually is, 0 is greater than or equal to -3, because it's not to one of them, it is not a solution to the system. So we don't even have to do the other problem. We already know it's not a solution to the system. Is 1 greater than 0? Yes, it is. So this time, this ordered pair is a solution to this inequality. Now we have to go ahead and check the other one. Is 1 greater than or equal to -3? Yes, it is. And because this ordered pair is a solution to both inequalities, it is a solution to the system of inequalities. Is on to the third problem. Is 1 greater than 0? Yes, it is. Is -1 greater than or equal to -3? Yes, it is. -1 is greater than -3. If you had -$1, that would be probably better for you. You'd think you'd call it better than if you had -3, right? You have more money if you owe somebody $1 than if you owe somebody $3. And so that's true. And because they're both true, that means that that ordered pair is a solution to the system of inequalities. So the answer is the first ordered pair, no, it's not a solution to the system. It's not in the solution set for the system. And the other two, yes, it is in the solution set to the system. Thanks for watching another video by AskMath.com. Don't forget to go to www.askmath.com and check out the rest of the videos.